So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So you guys, I have this unit that I received from Hairvivi. Like you guys, they have stepped up the game on wigs. Like if you're someone who is like me, sometimes I do feel lazy like to do the whole personalizing of my unit, like the baby hairs, like the bold cap method. Sometimes it is time consuming. So if you're someone who is a bit lazy or who just don't have much time on their hands and you want to rock some units, like you can actually go ahead and rock this unit I'm wearing right now. Like seriously guys, you can actually slay this unit without wasting much time, you guys. So no bold cap needed, no wig cap needed, you know, the baby hairs are already done for you, no plucking needed, and also they have bleached the knots for you. So this unit is like ready to go. Like seriously guys, you don't have to do much. It is a ready to go unit straight from the box. Like it does shorten the time that you put on your units. Like, you know, who has time for that? Like seriously, sometimes I just want to put the wig and go. Basically have to get the wig out of the box, to trim off the excess lace, adjust the adjustable straps, you know, use the combs if you like the combs, the attached combs on it, but I don't usually use the combs. You can just go ahead and lay down your wig like within like 5-10 minutes. Yeah, so I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. So just before I begin, you guys, if you're watching this video, I hope you have also subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button and also make sure you turn your notification button on. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. So you don't really have to do this process, you guys, but I just feel like I just need to personalize it more. I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Got2b glue just to lay down my unit. So I just go ahead and grab some gel and just apply it directly onto the wig cap, like onto the lace. So by doing this, I'm actually securing it. This will definitely lay your unit, you guys. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to conceal my lace so that people won't be able to see my lace, making my unit much more safer, if you understand what I'm saying. Like I want it to look more natural and flawless. So you want to make sure you place the gel, the Got2b glued gel, onto the lace and just work with that, okay? So as you can see guys, I haven't cut down any baby hairs at all. Like I haven't done that. You can see what I'm doing right here. Basically something like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my unit down using like a stocking. You wanna tie your hair down like for at least 5 minutes, okay?
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me.
Alright guys, so while I'm waiting for my unit to lay down, I just wanted to show you guys this gorgeous lovely necklace I received from Soufeel. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Like this is a jewelry company and they contacted me and asked me to choose a piece of jewelry from their website. I'm sure you guys have heard about them already, and this one is a personalized necklace. So as you can see right here, it says Jane, and it is a 14 karat gold plated silver necklace, and so they can personalize it for you guys. Like seriously, it is just amazing. I'm so addicted to jewelry, so any piece of jewelry to me is just like you know, a bonus. I'm gonna leave a coupon code for you guys if you want to purchase any type of jewelry, or if you like to buy a present for like Mother's Day. Mother's Day is around the corner, so definitely you can actually go ahead and personalize, like say mom or something like that. So it is absolutely like a good website, like if you want to buy gifts for your loved ones. I just love how cute this looks. Like seriously, I would definitely be purchasing like jewelry for myself, like even for my loved ones, because it is just amazing.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come.
I don't know if you can see that, guys. Like this unit, like I mentioned earlier, it comes personalized for you. You don't need to wear any bold cap or anything like that. So you can see wherever I part, the pattern just looks absolutely flawless, just like the bold cap method.
When I ride a bumble.
It's VQs.
One time. Standard. Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls, them go down.
So I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and flat iron this hair just a little bit more. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my Freeze Ease by John Frieder.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. One figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one figure. Na me all am see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man.
This is a unit that I feel like most of you guys will benefit from. Like I feel like a lot of people don't have the time anymore. Like wigs, sometimes they do take us a lot of time. If you're doing the bold cap method, my god, it can take you like at least a good 20 to 30 minutes, but compared to this one, everything is all done for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.